First of all, you have to make niyyah for wudu. As per Islamic concept, niyyah refers to intention of doing or performing an act. Niyyah doesn't necessarily involve saying anything loud, but focusing on the phrase Bismillah. Wash your both hands to the wrist 3 times, ensuring that you are using your left hand to wash your right hand and vice versa. Make sure to wash in between your fingers and all the way up to your wrist. Use your right hand to cup water in your mouth to the throat. Gargle if necessary so that all the remaining food particles get out of your mouth. Use your right hand to cup water and inhale it into your nose 3 times. Breathe in sharply and immediately throw out without harming yourself. Wash your face 3 times by spreading your hands from your right ear to the left, and from hair to the chin. Wash your lower arms from wrists to elbows, leaving no part dry. From your wrist to your elbow, wash your both right and left arm 3 times. Wash your head from front to the back with wet hands. Gently wipe your forehead from the eyebrow to the hairline. Clean ears and wipe the back head too. Wash your right feet first, and then the left feet. Especially wet toes 3 times. Clean up the ankles and make sure that water reaches between the spaces in your toes. Thanks for watching. Like the video. Subscribe the channel for more videos.